Hi, my name is Viseka February. I'm the data center manager for EBU data centers throughout MTN. So we are very excited about this opportunity that the Reserve Bank has presented to MTN. We understand that one of your basic and non-negotiable requirements is the security of your assets. Galomena is an MTN data center based in Sandton, Johannesburg. It is strategically and purposefully located next to the South African Police Services police station of that precinct. Galomena has never in its existence experienced any security breaches. Our processes in terms of physical access and security for the center are in compliance with PCI, DSS. So the data center access control policy is a very strict and a rigid policy. MTN wants to ensure that the assets of the clients are kept secure at every hour. So in that, Galomena has 3 security controls in place when you come in as a new client. All new clients or visitors to the site have to log an MTN ref with MTN Business in order for them to gain access into the building or the premises themselves. The security at the boom gates will then check before allowing you in and verify that your ref is actually a valid and a legitimate reference that has been issued by MTN Business. Upon being verified by the security, then you are granted access into the building. You will go into the reception, whereby you will also have to go through another verification process before you are taken up into the data center. The security guard will escort you into the data center. If you have a visitor, you will then be requested to go down and meet your visitor. When you have now joined MTN and you have become a client, you will use a different entrance into the building. That entrance has 4 more verification stations before you can enter the data center itself. This then ensures that not anybody can come into the data center without having been confirmed or verified. It is to ensure and mitigate that the risks of breach of security are kept at a minimum. Once you've been verified and confirmed and now you have received your authority to be on site, as a first-time visitor, it is required by MTN that you will sit down for about 5 minutes to watch the induction video of MTN. This is to ensure that you are aware of the evacuation process, as well as the safety protocols that we follow in our data center. In the recent past, we have refurbished some of our assets in the data center. These include the HVAC system, which falls under the mechanical side, the electrical system, which is the generators. Let's go to Tebogo for more information on mechanical and electrical.
Hi there, my name is Tebogo. I'm the operations manager for Galomena here. And what we have here is the cooling towers. And these are multiple distribution paths, and of course now allows for concurrent maintenance. You have multiple cooling towers per colocant. At any stage, one can be switched off for maintenance reasons, while the others are keeping the plant operational.
MTN has 3 transformers at Galomena Center. This is to comply with Tier 3 certification for the design. It also talks to provide redundant power supply for our clients to ensure that we have reliability and resilience in our sites.
This is where we speak about our electrical installation. You have the transformer, 1 of 3. We have the main distribution board, 1 of 3 as well. And we have 1 of 3 generators again here. So the way our system works is that they all start up individually. They take up the load for side A of the electrical installation, side B of the electrical installation, and the HVAC side of the electrical installation. Once the synchroscope has tied in, they all sync up, they close on the bus, and they all run in sync. Now, according to the Uptime Institute, there's Tier 3 that is on the white paper. It's only one that needs to be active of the paths, and the other has to be passive. In our case, it's even better than that. We have both active at all times.
We have the supply of a diesel up to 72 hours. Should the main power supply, that is Eskom, fail, your equipment will be able to run without any downtime. Galomena prides itself in having no downtime in the past 3 years. We have successfully done this because we ensure that our operations are running effectively and efficiently. We have UPS systems that have recently been upgraded, including our battery power supply, which has also been recently replaced.
We have multiple units here which are concurrently maintainable. Taking one unit out of the system, we still have operation, so you can actually do maintenance on any one of these and you'll still have the whole plant operating as should. The load rating and limits are still within the Uptime Institute. It keeps it compliant to the tier level 3.
We also have a building management system that ensures monitoring and proactive reporting of any incidents within the site. The maintenance staff watches and monitors the video footage of every asset in the site. At Galomena, we provide a dual feed for our clients, that is A and B feed. This is to ensure that there is resilience and there is continuity of services in case one of our feeds fail. We also have a meet-me room, which is designed to ensure cross-connects between different vendors that are operating in our data center. Galomena also provides a staging area that is designed with a sole purpose of ensuring that clients have enough space to assemble their equipment before it's put into the data center.
So it is in this area where equipment will be received. Clients have this option if they want to test their new equipment, bring a whole batch of a lot of cabinets and server equipment. Client will plug it in, and as you can see there, voila. It is now energized, it is live, it is protected by a fuse. Of course, the plug is protected by a circuit breaker and the board as well. The client can, from here, already test as many of his servers here. Then again, after being satisfied, he can then move over to the collocators to actually install and finalize his commissioning on there. So this is our water purification system. And here we have the green tanks where we store our water that eventually goes up to the roof where our cooling towers are. Okay, this is where the main feed incomer comes in, our 11 kV room. We make use of SF6 gas circuit breakers with 2 incoming feeds from Eskom and 4 going out, 1 to the general building and the 3 to our 3 transformers, which are always energized. And as I said, one needs to be passive and the other active of the POS, according to the Uptime Institute, but for level, tier 3. But in our case, we always have them active. That is the dual supply continuously. We have here as well what we call a switching suite, because we have a licensed person in-house that does the switching for us in case of emergency. So we do not actually have to wait for a licensed person from the likes of Eskom or municipality to actually come and do emergency switching off and on if needs be.
We also have a pause area that is designed for the relaxation of clients that are going to work overnight or for long periods of time during the day. MTN has great facilities at Galomena for visitors and meetings. Let's now go to class for more detailed information on where the equipment of the client will be based.
Hi, my name is Klaas Makaiwa. I work for MTN as a hosting engineer for Galomena Data Center. So welcome to our space. This is our collocation space. We've got 2 types of cages. Our hosting facility, especially our cages, consist of cameras and hot and cold eye. The size of our racks is 600 by 1.2 meter deep. So this is the standard that we're trying to keep as the facility. Welcome to our suit cages. These consist of high-profile security features, including your biometric and extra cameras And clients are actually not limited to install their extra security and monitor from their end. It is actually allowed at this stage.
Our unique selling proposition for Galomena is our competitive commercial offering, the location of the site itself, the infrastructure that has recently been refurbished, and lastly, the design of the site. At Galomena, we are proud to host different government departments such as SASSA, JIPA, and we also house private entities such as ABN Bev.